my name is Janet. I am Here For You health coach. I like to teach people that healthy is easy. Sounds hard, but it shouldn't be. Tonight I'm going to make a salad with heart-healthy ingredients. So I have some things out here and I'm excited to show you how you can put together a salad in about 5 minutes that's going to have great ingredients and make you feel great. I wanted to use arugula salad tonight for the lettuce. It's organic. I got some beautiful organic arugula and I'm going to make a chopped salad with it. We're just going to take it, put it on the cutting board and just cut it maybe a little bit to bite-sized pieces. It doesn't have to be too fancy. It's a salad. I'm going to do a couple more of those. You can make a great salad at home. You can throw this together and have it for your lunch. I have the walnuts out here and I'm just going to cut them a little bit into easier pieces. If you have a nut allergy, I would not use the nuts, obviously. Don't use them. But walnuts are very good for your heart. Heart-healthy foods have really good fats in them. I have Kalamata olives, and I'm just going to dump a bunch in there. And if some of the juice gets in there, that's fine. That's just going to flavor it. And then I also have some roasted red bell pepper. I'm going to put that in there. So you can see already just the color is beautiful. I have some already grated carrots. Just going to get a little handful of those and chop them up a little bit smaller. So you get your fiber, you get your greens, all those colors of the rainbow that we want to try to eat every day. Then I'm going to open an avocado. I have a great avocado. It's a beautiful one. I'm going to show you how to do that. Just going to cut it right down the middle. If you've never cut an avocado before, there it is. Look how fresh and beautiful. I'm going to cut it down the middle. And then I have a rounded knife, so I'm just going to turn it around and use that to take my avocado out. How easy was that? I'm going to take some beet. I have a roasted beet. Beet have just a lot of nutritional value for you. And we're trying to get all the colors of the rainbow in here. I just put those in a pan with some water and roasted them for about half an hour. So look at the colors we have. I have also these portobello mushrooms. If you don't like mushrooms, if you don't like any of the ingredients, you can leave them out. I like all of these, obviously. And it's going to be such a hearty salad. I'm not putting meat in there, but there's plenty of really good nutrients. I'm going to top it with goat cheese. And then we're going to mix it up and make some salad dressing, and you can have this for dinner, for lunch. Plenty of great healthy food in there for you. If you wanted to put in tuna, or if you had salmon from dinner or something, chicken, any kind of protein that you like, you can add it to your salad. I'm just going to do the salad today, just vegetarian. So the last thing I'm going to show you is how to make a dressing, which takes a second. People are really daunted by dressings, but it's simple. I have some beautiful olive oil from Alfonso Olive Oil here in town. And it's going to be basically about 1/4 cup of olive oil. So look at the color of that olive oil. You can see just how gorgeous it is. And I can almost taste the flavor just seeing the color. You know that's a really good olive oil. Then I also have white balsamic. So white balsamic is a little bit lighter than the dark balsamics. So we're going to put about half of what we did for olive oil. So it's not quite 1-to-1. From there, I have olive oil and vinegar. I'm going to put a teaspoon of spicy mustard in. And at that point, you have a salad dressing. You really don't have to do more than that. So we're going to mix that up. It's called emulsify. The mustard will help keep the oil and vinegar together. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. You may not need all the dressing. You can kind of figure out if it is enough. I'm going to say about half is going to work for now. We're going to mix it up now. So you can look at that and see it's really visually appealing. You've got the beautiful arugula lettuce, the red bell peppers, walnuts, avocado, olive oil, olives, roasted beets, goat cheese. So there you have a gorgeous salad with beautiful color. And you can I would have that for lunch all day long. You could have it for dinner, whichever you like. So I'm Janet with Here For You, health coach. There's your beautiful heart healthy salad. I hope you enjoy that. If you have any questions, please message me. I'd be happy to connect with you and help you on your journey to healthy.